Number 10. Bayraktar TB2. It is a multi-purpose drone with great autonomy that has been manufactured in Turkey. It can perform intelligence, surveillance, or reconnaissance missions. It measures 6.5 meters in length and 12 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 700 kilos and a load capacity of 150 kilos. It has one engine with 100 horsepower and can reach a speed of 220 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 8,000 meters and has a range of 27 hours. Since 2014, he has been in service in the armed forces and police of Turkey and in other countries such as Qatar or Ukraine. Number 9. M25 Stingray. It is an aerial refueling drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to be able to operate from aircraft carriers and will enter service in the United States Navy. It will be used to refuel aircraft such as the F-35 and expand its range in different missions such as surveillance or reconnaissance. It aims to refuel more than 4 aircraft per flight in a range of 925 kilometers. It measures 5.5 meters in length and 23 meters in wingspan. It has one jet engine that allows it to reach a speed of 620 kilometers per hour and can carry 7.2 tons of fuel. Number 8. XQ-58 Valkyrie. It is a long-range stealth drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed to provide an unmanned escort to different military aircraft. It measures 8.8 meters in length and 6.7 meters in wingspan. It can be used in surveillance or reconnaissance missions and deploy smaller drones such as the Altius 600 to increase their operational capabilities. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 2.7 tons and a load capacity of 540 kilos. It can reach a speed of 1,050 kilometers per hour, fly at an altitude of 13,700 meters, and has a range of 3,900 kilometers. Number 7. Loyal Wingman. It is a new stealth and multi-purpose drone that has been manufactured in Australia. It is designed to fly in a group and function as an intelligent team, completing air missions. It can also perform autonomous missions independently using artificial intelligence. Its performance is similar to that of a fighter and can fly alongside different types of aircraft. Its front part can be replaced by different interchangeable modules with specific capacities. It measures 11.7 meters in length by 7.3 meters in wingspan and has a range of 3,700 kilometers. This drone will be used to support manned aircraft such as the F-35 of the Royal Australian Air Force. Number 6. Aksunger. It is a high-performance drone that has been manufactured in Turkey for the country's armed forces. It can work autonomously and perform different missions such as surveillance or maritime patrol. It measures 11.6 meters in length and 24 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 3.3 tons and a load capacity of 750 kilos. It has 2 turbo diesel engines with 340 horsepower in total and can reach a speed of more than 250 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 12,200 meters and has a range of 60 hours or 6,500 kilometers. Number 5. Bayraktar Akinja. It is a high-performance strategic drone that has been manufactured in Turkey. It can fly autonomously and has artificial intelligence systems. It measures 12.2 meters in length and 20 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 5.5 tons and a payload capacity of 1.5 tons. It has 2 turboprop engines with 1,500 horsepower in total and can reach a speed of 360 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 12,000 meters and has a range of 24 hours. The first 3 units entered service in the Turkish Armed Forces in 2021. Number 4. MQ-9 Reaper. It is a multi-purpose drone that has been manufactured in the United States. It is designed for long-duration and high-altitude missions. It measures 11 meters in length and 20 meters in wingspan. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 4.7 tons and a payload capacity of 1.7 tons. It has one engine with 900 horsepower and can reach a speed higher than 450 kilometers per hour. It can fly at an altitude of 15,000 meters and has a range of 27 hours. He is currently in service with the United States Air Force, the Italian Air Force, or the Spanish Air Force. Number 3. Predator C Avenger. It is a fast